Happy Vlogmas, y'all. I'm actually mad at myself though, because I was supposed to wake up a little bit way earlier than this. It's 3:13 and I wanted to wake up like around 7:14, and then I was gonna get my grandma up at 7:30. But I guess 8:16 is not that bad. So I'm gonna get her up and then I'm gonna just start cleaning and stuff up here. Okay guys. I literally slept on my hair. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it today. I think I might just bump the front and make it look cute, and then just wear my hair into a ponytail. Okay guys, I just got done taking Jasper out. Hi buddy. Hi. I'm so sad I have to leave him here, y'all. Hi buddy. And then after I do some cleaning, I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna get dressed for this trip, and then it should be time to start putting stuff in the car. Room. Oh wait, I still have to get that bowl. And then this is clean. My bed's clean. I just put my outfit over there for what I was wearing. And then these are just a pile of dirty clothes. And then I'm about to try and get this stain out right here because it's like so big. And yeah, I need to get that out. Jiggle pop, yeah, my hips wanna work. Okay, swing, let's swing, right my weave in tight, yeah. Hit 'em with that, handle tight, yeah. Wedgie in my booty feeling tight, jiggle, jiggle pop, my. Hi, buddy. Okay guys, now I need to straighten up here, which is not the worst. I need to clean my nail table, which has the trash that was in my room on the table. I was doing toes last night, so I need to clean that up. And then this was some clean clothes. I was just sitting on my bed that I'm gonna move into my clean clothes camper because I still haven't put that up yet, y'all. For out here though, I'm gonna go in time lapse because it's like a bigger space. But after this, I'm getting into the shower and then we're getting started. Okay guys, so my nail set is now ready and prepped for my next client in a few days. Everything's pretty much cleaned up here. I just need to move my dirty clothes hamper somewhere else. And then this was from cleaning. I have to bring that downstairs, take the trash out, and throw all that shit up there away. And then I just have this extra trash bag. So at the end, I might try and get like my last trash, my bathroom trash, and put it in my nail trash bin, and then add another trash bag. But I'm not turning on my Christmas tree or my lights since I'm leaving today. Oh, I need to add this over there so this can go downstairs later. I really need a vacuum up here, but not today. All right, y'all, so now that this is clean, my room's still clean, but I forgot to go in with some powder stuff to make my room smell nice and fresh. I mainly like to put a lot on the white carpet because you can't see it. All right, so I end up using all of that. So now I'm gonna go in with my other one, and I'm gonna put this one in the living room and on the steps. It's smelling good now. Room's done. I think I'm gonna leave those pile of dirty clothes there though, cause yeah. All right, y'all, but I'm about to shower and then change into my set of clothes, and then I'll start cleaning the bathroom.
Hey, good boy, where you in the house by yourself with Hazel?
You're gonna be in the cage.
Damn, I'm over in the cage all damn day.
Yeah, probably 8-9 hours. I'm gonna make sure he uses the restroom before we go out. I'm gonna put a small water and food. Alright guys, so I just bumped the front of my hair again and then just straightened the rest. Wait, good thing I looked in the mirror, cause what the fuck is this? Fuck, now I have to do that. Okay guys, I kind of fixed it. I don't even care. It doesn't have to look perfect, but as long as it wasn't looking too fucked up, I couldn't have that going on. Okay guys, but I'm about to pack my bag to take with me now. I'm trying to put this nose ring in. Okay, guys, so the nose ring's in. Okay, y'all, this is where Jasper is at. I put him down here. So, and he is not having it. He is so mad.
He got the treat. Am I want to be in the way?
You're good. Oh, it's okay, buddy.
The main thing is in here.
Yeah, that's why I
I
checked.
fed the fish and then
I got everything open so he could run up there if he wanted to lay on my
I
bed.
can't believe you got that upstairs clean.
Yep. You got everything?
Yeah.
I got some chargers. I know.
Treat no.
Hookah boy. No, Mookie. What the ears doing? Oh, Mookie.
I'm gonna see you, mommy, in 2 days.
No, 8 days. Pookie, she leaving you.
Right here.
You finally get to be with the mommy. Oh, we gonna be snuggling
Rex
again.
expect me to take something like this.
Yeah, you could have.
Where?
All you need is 8 shirts and 2-3 pair of pants.
In the dress up thing. She gonna have a fit.
It's a suitcase and a backpack.
He's gonna have a fit.
The backpack can fit in the back seat.
He said he had 3 people going with us. Yeah, I know you. Then we try to bring on that big luggage.
Oh, we should not bring in 2 suitcases.
Suitcase in there.
Aw, Hazel, your brother crying.
All right, Sky.
All right, bye, Hazel. Oh, Puka boy.
You ain't going nowhere with the keys sitting over there. Bye, mommy.
Okay, y'all. Grandma got the nails done. Look, children. Oh, dang. She ready to leave.
Bye, Hazel.
And we out. And we out. And we out. And we out. She getting in the car. And we out. I love road trips, especially when I don't have to drive. I'm gonna turn my booty warmer on. Get that set. Okay. But okay, y'all, that's the end of my Vlogmas. And yeah, that's me prepping for my little trip. And make sure you guys watch my next video. And bye.